Imagine having a personal assistant that doesn't just read text, but can actually see what you see, hear what you hear, and even watch videos along with you to answer questions in real time. We aren't talking about science fiction anymore. We are talking about Google's most ambitious project ever, Gemini. If you have been feeling confused by the constant stream of AI names lately, Bard, PalM, Gemini, Flash, Nano, you are definitely not alone. The AI landscape changes so fast that it's hard to keep up. But today, we are going to stop the confusion. In this video, we are breaking down everything you need to know about Google Gemini. We will cover its turbulent history, the different brains that power it, the crazy new features like Gemini Live, and most importantly, we will tell you which version you should actually be using. By the end of this video, you will be a Gemini expert. Let's dive in. First, let's rewind for a quick history lesson to understand how we got here. Back in early 2023, Google launched a chatbot called Bard. It was their answer to ChatGPT. And honestly, it was just okay. It was a text bot that could answer questions, but it often struggled with accuracy. Google quickly realized that to win the AI race, they couldn't just build a better chatbot. They needed a completely new architecture. They needed something multimodal. That is a fancy tech word, but the concept is simple. Most older AIs were trained on text, like reading millions of books. But Gemini was different. It was trained on pictures, audio files, and videos simultaneously from the very start. This means it doesn't just read about a cat. It knows what a cat looks like, sounds like, and how it moves in a video. In early 2024, Google officially killed the name Bard and rebranded everything to Gemini. Since then, the evolution has been rapid, moving from version 1.0 to the massive 1.5 Pro update. And now in 2026, we are witnessing the incredible speed of the Gemini 3.0 series. Now, here's where most people get stuck. Gemini isn't just one single AI, it is actually a family of models, sized for different tasks. Think of it like buying a vehicle. You have a bicycle, a sedan, a sports car, and a heavy-duty truck. Here's the breakdown of the Gemini family. First, we have Gemini Nano. This is the smallest version, designed to be super efficient. It actually lives inside your smartphone, like on the Pixel 9 or 10 series. The magic here is privacy and speed. Because it runs on your phone's chip, it doesn't need to send your data to the cloud. It handles quick tasks like suggesting replies in WhatsApp or summarizing a voice recording instantly, even if you're in airplane mode. Next up is Gemini Flash. As the name suggests, this model is built for pure speed and cost efficiency. If you are using the free version of Gemini on the web, you're often interacting with a version of Flash. It is incredibly fast, capable of processing huge amounts of information in seconds, and is perfect for 90% of your daily questions. Then comes the middleweight champion, Gemini Pro. This is the smart all-rounder. While Flash is fast, Pro is better at reasoning. If you need to code a website, debug a complex error, or write a nuanced creative story, Pro is the model you want. It thinks a bit deeper before it answers. Finally, we have Gemini Ultra. This is the heavy lifter. It is designed for highly complex tasks, like scientific research, analyzing massive datasets, or advanced logical reasoning. This is the model that usually sits behind a paywall because it requires a massive amount of computing power to run. Okay, enough theory. What can this actually do for you? Let's look at 3 features that set Gemini apart from the competition. Like and subscribe Simple Tech Digest. We will be back with part 2 next week.